Rotating proxies is one of the new features in our latest release, axiom.ai version 4.7. Let's find out some more. I'm Alex Barlow, co-founder. Let's dive in. So first up, run dropdown. So we've enhanced the run dropdown menu in Axiom to include some quick links to your settings such as storing cookies, and of course the handy little feature called bypass bot detection. This helps you get past Cloudflare when it tries to block your automations. Next up, we have introduced proxy rotation. So in your settings, you can go to store user proxy. Before you could only use one proxy, now you can add multiple and Axiom will rotate through them. Next up, a new AI step. Currently, or before this release, you could only use ChatGPT. Now we've got a new AI step. If I type AI into Step Finder, integrate AI. Now you can select your LLM from a range, ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek, etc. And if you're interested in us integrating more, do reach out for our support and we can do that for you. Next, option to resync your cookies during bot runs. So basically, Axiom now has a setting where you can automatically resync your cookies. If you go to the store cookies section and you click on auto resync, Axiom will just keep on resyncing that cookie for you, saving you the hassle of doing it yourself. Next, new API routes. Obviously, I can't show you those. Please do look at our documentation if you want to learn more, axiom.ai/docs. And basically, we've added a feature to get a list of automations and to get your last run report. However, we will be in the coming months expanding that API. And if you've got any ideas, do reach out for our support. Next up, our option to block resources. So this is a great one for web scrapers out there. Something I like to experiment with when setting up a scraper is if I can speed up the scraper by blocking resources. So all you need to do is add a path and then select the resources you want to block. Generally, I try and work by blocking the style sheets, images, and fonts. I find those will save a couple of meg off the load time. So that's pretty good. Next up, restarting Chrome. Okay, this is one for the power users. So if you're going to run bots for 8 hours through thousands of pages, Chrome has a limitation that its memory gets too full and the bot can hang. It can cause Axiom to stop working. We have worked on fixing that in the code base so you don't experience it, but we've also adding a step as a failsafe that you can use, and we recommend at the end of your runs that will restart that browser. Now you can either restart it and then add a jump step to go back and then continue scraping if you want to do that. But it's a very simple step. Open up the step finder, search for restart, and you'll find it. Okay. Next, general performance improvements. We have been again under the hood making some tweaks to make Axiom run that little bit faster. We did notice some issues with our auto wait algorithms and we've optimized those. So you will see a measured increase in performance from Axiom, which is pretty exciting. Okay. Next, resyncing cookies from your go-to page step. This step is basically for resyncing. We've added a button for resyncing cookies, I should say, and also for adding your cookies. So let's just say I'm making a new automation. I'm going to click new, and it allows you to add your cookie inline as you build without having to go to the settings. So I find it quite a handy little feature. Now I can just click store cookie. You'll find it on the go to page step. I click, and the cookie's been stored. You also allow me to resync, and there's a button there just to manage those cookies if I so want to. That's about it for this release. We've got some minor fixes you can read through if you go to our docs, axiom.ai/docs, and then go to /release notes, and you'll be able to see the list of minor fixes we've also done, which include fixing a bug where the infinite loader would just go on and Axiom would appear to be hung or stuck. That was basically, it was certain animations would cause that issue, but that we've resolved that now. And so on to the next release, we'll be working away. We hope you enjoy this release, And there's lots more to come from Axiom, including a brand new tool, a no-code, or a code tool, I should say, rather, coming soon, so you can code your bots from your stack. Awesome. Thank you.